Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power delivery and physical connection because most failures are simple. Plug the original Pixel 3 charger into a tested outlet and use the original cable. If you don't have it, use a known good USB-C cable. Inspect the charge port with bright light. Clear lint gently with a toothpick or compressed air. Then press and hold power for 10 seconds. If nothing, press volume down plus power to force the bootloader. This isolates charger, cable, and basic firmware response quickly. Once charging is attempted, let the phone sit on charge for 15 to 30 minutes because a deeply drained battery can prevent immediate boot. You need to watch for any charging icon, LED, or vibration to confirm current flow. If none appears, perform a soft reset by holding power and volume down for about 30 seconds to recover stalled firmware. If you still see nothing, try wireless charging or a different Pixel-compatible charger to rule out a weak charger or battery protection state. If the phone responds to buttons, boot into recovery. Press and hold volume up plus power until the bootloader menu appears, then select recovery and try system restart. If that fails, a factory reset can restore software, but you'll lose data. Use this only as last resort. If none of these steps revive the phone, the issue is likely hardware, swollen battery, faulty power IC, or damaged USB-C. In that case, seek authorized repair or replace the battery. It's the most common needed fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.